Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I silk press my bob cut. Basically, I already blow dried my hair off camera and I already pressed out my hair in the back. That's how it's looking. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I silk press the front of my hair. All over my hair, I use the argan oil of Morocco as like I wouldn't say this is a heat protectant. This is more like a hair serum, but this is my favorite hair serum and I'm almost out. Oh my gosh, look, I need to get some more. So I put that all over my hair. This is this hair straightener that I'm using. So yeah, let's get it started. I am just gonna take a really small section of hair like that. Then I'm just gonna pin this out the way, making sure I use a small tooth comb to detangle this section first before I run the straightener through it. And I got my hair straightener and I'm starting from the roots, tapping it down a little bit, holding my ends and just slowly working it down like that. And I do this about like 2 to 3 times, and then the third time I just bump my ends like that, and that's it. So as you can see, I gotta get like the little hairs that are right here. This hair straightener gets really hot. I'm going to link it down below. I believe I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below. I also have this straightening comb thing. So sometimes I use it, I just take a small section like that, get the flat iron, tap it a few times in the roots and work my way down. This just helps to like make it a little bit more easier going down when you straighten it. And just bump the end like that. And get my edges. You want to be careful getting them edges, girl. You want to make sure that you are straightening your hair with small sections. So I got my little straightening comb. And I think I got this straightening comb from Temu. Just bump the ends a little bit like that. I cut my hair into a bob about a month ago. I wanted to like see how my hair looked. I really wanted to straighten my hair again, so I decided to just straighten my hair today. Today was wash day. I wash my hair every Friday. So I'm gonna split this section in half like that. Detangle this section. For your section is thoroughly detangled before you flat iron the section. Guys, I did most of this side off camera, so I'm going to show you how to do the rest of this section up here. Guys, this section is completely done. My hair is so like bouncy and soft. That's because like I don't use a lot of products when I straighten my hair. I just kind of use the hair serum, and before I blow dry my hair I use like a light, very light leave-in conditioner, and that's about it. So I'm gonna get started on this side now. This is the finished product. I am loving how my hair is looking, my bob. This is the back. Yeah, it's so flowy and fluffy. I'm loving this bob. It's very lightweight, and I'm going to wrap it tonight. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.